But moving on, another counter that has been in focus today is Aster DM Healthcare. Now it's been buzzing on the back of news flow, and we have Varsha joining us to give us more details on the same.
For that, so yes, Aster DM Healthcare is buzzing now. Company is gonna acquire additional equity shares in Prerna Hospital, so they're gonna increase their stake to 100% up from 87% currently. Transaction will be executed in 2 tranches. Now, so a lot of hospital companies are actually going into brownfield expansion versus greenfield expansions, which takes time, and Aster DM is one of them. If you see about the Prerna Hospital, so they offer 254 beds and are into over 25 specialties, and the turnover, that is sales of Prerna Hospital for FY24, stands at around 120 crores. Now let's see what is Aster expecting when it comes to future. So Aster Women and Children Hospital, which comprises of 300 beds in Hyderabad, is yet to be completed by FY26, and the total capacity is expected to reach 6,800 beds by FY27. And India revenue CAGR, so they are expecting 18 to 20% growth when it comes to India business over FY25 to 29, and EBITDA margin over the same period is expected at 23 to 25%. And growth, they're expecting this growth to be driven by higher occupancy and the capacity expansion that the company is going through. And lastly, if you see, the average revenue per occupied bed is projected to grow at 7 to 8% over 3 to 4 years. So this is all we have on Aster DM Healthcare.
Thank you, Varsha, so much for giving us all those details. The next counter we're going to talk about is Prestige Estates. It's a top